Every sari has its own story. And what makes that story special are the small details. Till now, I was always working with thread tassels. But this time, I tried something new. A little experiment. And that's how this patch tassel lace came to life. Every sari has its own story. And what makes that story special are the small details. Till now, I was always working with thread tassels. But this time, I tried something new. A little experiment. And that's how this patch tassel lace came to life. Look at the details closely. Each tassel is measured and fixed carefully on a patch. This patch base gives it more strength, neatness, and a very clean finish. So when it falls on the sari edge, it looks more elegant. This lace is not only for saris. You can also use it on lehenga dupattas, blouse borders, or even to style up a simple outfit. The best part is the tassels stay in place and the alignment always looks perfect. Making this lace takes a lot of patience. Each tassel has to be the same size, stitched one by one and arranged properly. When you touch it, you can actually feel the smoothness and finishing. Tassels have always been a part of Indian outfits. From old saris to today's bridal looks, they never go out of fashion. With this patch tassel lace, I wanted to keep that tradition alive, but give it a fresh new twist. So if you're looking for something new this wedding season, something that is simple but classy, this patch tassel lace is the perfect choice. How do you like this design? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. You all know my journey started with Aari work designs. Aari embroidery has always inspired me because it adds richness and culture to every blouse or sari. And with this lace, I have tried to bring the same detailing and love for tradition into tassel art. If you are enjoying this design, don't forget to visit my page thread_culture_. There, I share many tassel ideas, Ari designs, and creative experiments like this. It's not just about designs, it's about keeping our handwork culture alive. And yes, if you would like to order this kind of lace for your sari or lehenga, you can contact me directly through thread_culture_. Every piece is handmade with care and customized to match your outfit perfectly. This way, you can carry a piece of tradition with a modern twist. So what do you think about this experiment with patch tassel lace? Would you like to see more such creative designs? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's celebrate the beauty of tassels together.